Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off or disable auto brightness here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for settings. So once you've typed it, the best spot should appear. Click on open to continue. Okay, so here at the settings, look at the left side of your screen. You can see there are different options. This time you need to go with system, which is next to home. So under the system tab, you would be able to see again different options. Here in our case, you need to look for power and battery, which contains sleep, battery usage, and battery saver. So click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see an option, which different options like power, battery. So in our case, we need to proceed to battery, and under that, you can see there a very first one, which is battery saver. So simply click this down arrow aligning to that battery saver. The moment you've clicked on it, these three options would show. Here at the very list of it, you can see lower screen brightness when using say battery saver. Just have to turn this off, and the moment you've clicked on it, you have just successfully disabled or turned off the auto adjusting of brightness here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.